Thank you for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, I am All Things Adree. If you are a subscriber, welcome back, welcome back. Thank you. Join the family, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So I am going to do a brief video on my skincare routine. Oh, my shirt, it's Girl Scout cookie season. If you want some Girl Scout cookies delivered to your door, you can go ahead and click the link. I'll leave it below. It's my daughter's page, so all proceeds, I am the troop leader, so all proceeds will go to benefit my troop. I am trying to plan a train ride to New Orleans for my girls, so link below if you'd like to buy some Girl Scout cookies. I went to Sephora this past weekend, and I wanted to try something new. I was initially thinking about a Clinique, the new Clinique line that came out, that I saw some people talking about, but I decided to go against that after consulting with one of the beauty specialists there. So I am using Youth to the People. It is their kale, green tea, spinach, and vitamin super food cleanser. And so y'all know I'm all about natural, I'm all about healthy and cruelty free. And so I thought, you know, let me try this. They have a trial for like $10 versus I think the bottle is like normally $38 or $40. And it comes in an orange box like this if you're interested in picking it up. So far I've used it since Saturday, and so far so good. Also, something that I typically put on my face every day, twice a day, natural rose water. The Hemani brand, I believe it's from the Middle East. Yeah, they're a brand in Pakistan. I get all of my natural products when I'm mixing stuff from this brand for the most part. All of my essential oils, and the natural rose water I use as a primer and a setting spray, and just when I need a spritzer. And it's like $2 or $3. It's very affordable. I get it at my local farmer's market. So you may want to try picking that up. And then I just put it into a little spray bottle. And then something that I also, the Shea Moisture Daily Glow Priming Moisturizer. And it's almost gone. Time for me to re-up on that. But that's something that I use every day and have been using every day for like 6 months now. I really love it. Y'all excuse me, I'm a little sick today. I stayed home from work because I'm just not feeling well. I needed a break. My kids were off the chain. The weather is yucky. I had some type of horrible cough and sore throat going on, so y'all forgive me. I am a little sick, mixed with some sinuses. To me picking this up this weekend, I was using Shea Moistures. I believe I threw it away, but because I'm done with it. I was using the Shea Moisture, and I used to use the face scrub that accompanies this line, but I wanted to try something new. Only a couple of products. Everything, I try to stick to all natural because my skin is sensitive and I just don't have time for breakouts. And so every day on a daily basis, I use my Aloe Vera, and I put that to treat my spots. I'll sometimes put it all over my face and leave it on for about 10 minutes or so. Excuse me. And maybe I'll rinse it off. Sometimes I don't, but I feel like aloe can't do any harm for my skin, by the way. And so if you'd like to see how I make my own aloe vera gel, just go on and check it out. I'll leave a link below. And but it's super easy to do, and I put it in a dispenser bottle. I wash with this. For the people. Why do I keep saying for the people? It's not for the people. Youth to the People face wash that I'm liking so far. Freshen up or prime or moisturize with natural rose water. I used to put glycerin. I used to mix it. I mixed this in a spray bottle, a little spritz bottle with glycerin, but I haven't purchased any. I ran out and didn't rebuy, so I need to buy some more glycerin. And that's all I use to help moisturize. And then to prime when I'm wearing my makeup or without, and it gives like a little daily glow. So, and then when I have to clarify, and I don't clarify every day, I don't use this every day. I use it maybe on my black spots and everything. So I'm going to show you guys how I wash my face. And I recently paid attention. Someone's, I can't remember her name, but she's a blogger on here on YouTube, and she was talking about the 60-second rule. So I recently started trying that, and I do feel like my skin has been smoother, but I just really need these dark spots to go away. So that's been my focus. Oh, I scratched. Now, the 60-second rule. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Now, the trick they say is to sing a song or something to make sure you get your full 60 seconds. How we do Fresh Prince. I think that was what one of the videos said. In West Philadelphia, get your face washed, girl, and sing along with me, honey. West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days. Chilling out, knocking out, holding on to the song b-ball outside of the school when a couple of guys, they were up to no good. Started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight, my mom got scared and said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air." Do, 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 do. I whistled for a cab, and when it came near the license plate said fresh and it had dice in the mirror. If anything, I could say that this cab was red, but I thought, man, forget it. Your home's the Bel Air. I pulled up to the house about 7 or 8, and I yelled to the cab, "Your home, smell you later." Looked in my kingdom, I was finally there, and to sit on my throne as the Prince of Bel Air. Hey, you got a clean face, girl. And you livened up your morning routine, honey. Whew. When I get ready in the mornings, y'all, I have to do something to psych myself up and wrap my mind around the day. I'm a busy mom, wife, teacher. So I never know what the day gonna bring me sometimes. I just have to be ready for anything. Okay, now what I did notice is that this doesn't suds. Extra minute or so. Oh. Pat dry, never rub. Okay, and when it's still just a little damp, I take my rose water spray. Now this is rose water. And what I notice is that anything, now I'm taking the aloe. My top is real crazy. But it's like a jelly-like consistency. I'm just gonna do this today, dear, since the top ain't acting right. And it's so cold. Keep it in the refrigerator, and I just kind of treat those spots. And then I'm gonna let that sit because I'm not going nowhere today. I'm staying in and resting myself. Put some on that burn or scratch or whatever that is I get back there. Okay, I'm not gonna use this today. I typically would. And then take my primer, priming moisturizer. It's very, very thick, so I notice it goes on way better when my skin is wet. It's very, very thick. Get that neck, girl. Okay. Now, moisturize those lips. This is what I do right after I brush my teeth every morning. I'm using the Acai Berry Burt Bees Moisturizing Lip Balm. I switch it up between that one and the Palmer's. They each make really good. All right, and that's it. Fresh face, dewy, I'm glowing. I don't know if y'all can see that. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye lovelies. Mwah.